What is good, YouTube? It's your girl Zaire Joy here, and I'm back with another freaking video. What's good, honey sis? If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
And that's on period.
It's a business vlog, period. So, because I have a few orders, I have a couple orders to get out, y'all. I finally got 2 more orders. Let me show y'all something. Let me tell y'all how good God is. So they gonna ban my old TikTok account. Like, why would you ban my account? I have not done anything like that, y'all. I try to stay out of drama, everything, right? I try to stay out of drama. That TikTok had 26,000 followers. Do you hear me? 26,000 followers, and you banned me for no reason? Are you serious? And I know it's time to retire these twists, y'all. But anyway, so they gonna sit here and ban me, y'all. So, and they suspended my old TikTok, so I couldn't even make that into another business TikTok. So basically, I was messed up. So I had to use the Resident phone to make a new TikTok, y'all. Y'all, we ate 800 followers. Is it gonna focus? Look, y'all. You see this number? 25,000 views. So yeah, so I need to make some TikToks because this one only has 20 views. And the crazy part is, y'all, Risen do not be trying to let me like be on TikTok for a while. Like, he be wanting his phone back. Like, what? Anyway, that's beside the point. Hold on. Okay, we're back. Y'all, I've been doing homework all day, it feels like. I made me lunch. So I might have packed these orders up. And then once I pack these orders, I'm going to make TikToks as I pack the orders. There's only 2. Well, I got 3 orders, y'all. I'm so hyped. And y'all, we're almost at 300 subscribers. Like, I really want to hit 300 by the end of this month, which is 2 days. I have 2 days to gain 2 more freaking subscribers. Like, subscribe. But anyway, that's beside the point. I have somebody ordered a pair of Stack sweatpants, which are on pre-order, which it's because I messed up something on my site. Like, I did not do it right, so that was my bad. But they got it for a steal because the site was on sale. But anyway, my girl Aura, she ordered a lace me up shirt, and she ordered, that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and pack this order so y'all can just watch me pack orders. Are we Gucci? Yeah, so watch me pack these orders, sis. And if y'all wondering, freshly carpet clean carpet.
Pay that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store. This isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Yeah. Where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%. Moved out of the wrist and forgot about that bed. Now they just call me to tell me come get it. Got that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Left me for dead and now they won't dead it. Heart is still beating, my niggas still eat it. Like y'all, they look like the garden, they eat it. Hello talk with him, she spilling the tea. And then Shawty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? I've been moving kinda so no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. and cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for him to miss me. Driving solo, I'm just swerving through my hands. When I'm sober, I just don't like who I am. Pull me up before and I feel like myself again. Roll me up some dope and I feel like myself again. I'ma break every box they try to put me in.
Alright y'all, so I'm about to use my camera to take pictures of my products because I feel like it's not cute on my phone. This is my new rug, y'all. I'm thinking like I'll just take it like this. I don't know, how do people take these pictures? All right, y'all, so it took me a long time to pack them orders up, but what I'm about to do is take a couple more photo or do a different I'm going to change the background for some of those ski masks because I just added them to the site. Hopefully somebody buy one. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and add that to the site, or do the other ones and then try to add that 2-piece. So yeah,